Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Random Sing 7. We mostly talk about bikes, gear reviews, and travel within the Northeast. That's all about the channel. So anyway, yesterday I made a video about where we can adjust the headlight of the 390 Adventure, or the throw of the headlight. So today what I'm going to do is show you exactly how we can adjust it. I mean, I have ample time. It's lockdown time in India, day 4. So yeah, well, let's go ahead and show you what exactly you need to adjust the headlight here. It's basically the beam throw of the headlight, mostly to do with the low beam. So yeah, let's see. I mean, even the high beam is affected, but yeah, let's see. As I showed yesterday, it's somewhere there, and I'll just give you a complete demo of how to go about it and adjust the headlight. Come on, let's get started. Okay, first things first, the two Allen nuts that you need to remove. One is down here, just below the headlight. If you're sitting on the bike, it's on the left side. If you look at it, it's on the right side. And the other one is right here on top. And to remove these, I think you'll need an Allen key. So I have the entire set here. And if I'm not mistaken, I'll need the 4mm Allen key. There we go. Let's see. Yep. And it's always anti-clockwise to remove the same. So let me put the camera on a tripod so that I can get both my hands to work on it. Just hang on. Okay, so I'm starting by removing the bolt that is below. So that's here. So let's start with that. Anti-clockwise. There we go. That's bolt number 1. There we go. Keep it properly. Next up, we'll remove the top bolt. So just hang on, let me change the angle. So this is the second bolt that we need to remove. The same Allen key would do the job. Again, anti-clockwise, so push it this way. Yeah, just being extremely careful so it doesn't touch the fork or the plastic panel on the left. Once it's loosened, put it up straight and take out the entire. Oopsie. Anyway, as you can see, this is the nut that came out from here, the top, and this is the one that came out from below. Both the nuts are very different, as you can see. So yeah, so now ideally this panel should come off easily. Let's do that. So we slightly wiggle it out, and there we go. The panel has come off. Hang on, let me pull it a little back. Yep, so this is the panel. So there's a small notch that is holding the third bolt, that is here. So you just need to lift that so that it doesn't destroy anything. Anyway, so that is how you get access to this area. So now let's let me put the camera down again, and then let's start adjusting the headlight. Okay, as you can see the clear markings here, how to adjust plus and a minus. So this maybe increases the height and this decreases the height. And I don't know if you can see inside, but there are two options here. So we can either use a 6mm Allen key here, or we can use a star-shaped screwdriver that goes extremely in. So it's way easier, since I have the Allen key set, to just put in the Allen key in here and adjust it. Hang on. There we go. And now if I raise it up, it'll go up. If I raise it down, it'll come down. Okay, that's about it. I've pretty much adjusted however whatever setting I need it to be. Now let me just put it back, and yeah, that's it. Don't tighten it completely.
Motor na DC okay. Hey, it went off. Oh, sorry. Just give voice over then. I mean text this.
So that's it, guys. So that's how you adjust the headlight throw of the KTM 390 Adventure. Yeah, I mean, today is day 4 of the lockdown in India, and this is the 4th video I'm pushing out in 4 days. Let's see if we can keep this going for the next 20, I mean not 20, 17 days. Hopefully we can do it. Let's find something that, you know, that's unique and that we can do about this bike every day if possible. Yeah, let's keep yourself busy, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye. Please subscribe as well. Bye.